How do you learn pranic healing? What are the steps? Hi, I'm Farika Lewis from the Pranic Healing and Meditation Centre in Brisbane. I'm an authorised pranic healing teacher and a practitioner. The starting point to learn pranic healing is the basic pranic healing course. It teaches you the energy anatomy, how to cleanse and energise your own aura, chakras, and it teaches you the 7 steps of pranic healing, breathing techniques, meditation, how to understand certain universal principles that affect our health and well-being, and how to treat simple physical ailments. The next course is the Advanced Pranic Healing course, and then Pranic Psychotherapy. So Pranic Psychotherapy is where you apply what you learned in basic pranic healing and advanced pranic healing to be able to treat emotional and psychological disorders and problems for people and yourself. It's important to choose an authorised pranic healing teacher. An authorised pranic healing teacher through the Institute of Inner Studies in the Philippines. This institute was established and founded by Master Chalco Sui, the author of pranic healing. So, once you've done the basic, advanced and psychotherapy, the foundation courses, you then get to do crystal pranic healing, psychic self-defense, spiritual business management, achieving oneness with your higher soul, psychic self-defense, pranic feng shui, hatha yoga, and numerous other courses. There's just such a rich and deep knowledge in the pranic healing and hatha yoga system of Grandmaster Chalco Sui. So if you want to know more, check our website or call our centre to have an individual consultation. I look forward to meeting you soon. Bye for now.